Hi students, I am Dr. Badrinath, working as a professor, and I am handling the subject of biostatistics. And in this video, we will see the concept of measures of dispersion. Measures of dispersion. It is a dead easy topic. Dead easy. Even the died person also is able to answer these topics. Okay, so that's why we are calling it as a dead easy. Now let us see what is the measures of dispersion and all that we will see. And see, keep in your mind, as a pharmacy, in pharmacy also, either in M.Pharmacy or B.Pharmacy or Pharma D, this is a common subject. Mathematics is the mother of the science. Okay, but most of the students, they will get fear. Okay, this is mathematics. We escaped and came to pharmacy to avoid the maths only, like that. Actually, this is very simple concept, very simple. Okay, see, this is your subject biostats and research methodology. And if you see, as per PCA, Pharmacy Council of India, Pharma D fourth year, this was a syllabus. Okay, and Unit 2 is purely biostatistics. Unit 1 is research methodology. Unit 2 is a biostatistics. See here, your biostatistics introduction. I was already done a video on introduction. See my first video, introduction in biostatistics, and types of data distribution, how the various types of data is distributed, and see measures of describing the central tendency. It's nothing but average, mean, median, mode. So I did already video on this. I hope you already watched the video. And fourth one is measurement of spread of data range, variation of mean, standard deviations, variance, coefficient of variation, standard error of mean. Right? The highlighted with the rating that we are going to be see in this class. See, don't get confusion between C and D. C is measures of describing the central tendency, whereas D is measures of spread of data range, how widely the data is spread. See, name itself indicate spread of data, how the data is spread widely, either narrowly or widely, how it is data is distributed. Whereas in central tendency, we are describing only the center part. We will try to take the just like a mean, median, mode. In the given data, we are taking to find out the concentrate on the only the central part. You got my point? One is wide, one is central part. Now I will show you a clear cut difference between the two types of data. And generally, data. What is the data? What is the data? See here, I gave the example, section A, students marks. 3, 3, 6, 7, total 7 students are there. If you see the marks of section A students, 20, 40, 34, 56, 76, 23, 12, it is a data. I will call it as data. You also, you have to call it as a data only. Data is nothing but set of scores. Either it may be a cricket match also. What is a team? First player, second batsman, third batsman, fourth batsman. How much they scored? What is a bowling? Anything in numbers is called as a data. Data. And section B marks 49, 36, 90, 21, 56, 87, 74. This is also called as a data. What is the Indian population? What is the China population? What is America population? If you make a list, it is also a data. So most of the students, they are confusing. They are asking me, what is data? Data is nothing but anything. For example, number of sugar patients in India, number of heart patients in India, okay, the number of coma patients in India. Like that, you can, if you prepare a list, it is also a data. Keep in your mind, data is any number, or sometimes it is graph also. Okay, generally data means we are representing in the number. Keep in your mind. Yeah, you find the difference. I told no, C and D, measures of central tendency. Measures of dispersion. In the exam, students, they are get confusing and finally they are writing one answer in the place of another answer. Okay, when I went to evaluation, I faced this problem. Some students, question is one, they will not read the question completely. It is also measured, this is also measured. But they will not concentrate on central tendency. Here, dispersion, how widely the data is distributed is dispersion. Central tendency means try to catch the center point of the data. It is called as it. See, measures of, that's why here I compared side by side. That is actually another topic. This is also another topic. But if a student will learn with the side by side, then only you can came to know what is the difference. Until and otherwise, you cannot find any difference. That's why you see, check one by one. This, see, measures of central tendency in blue color column, and it is in a black color column. Central tendency describes what will be the center point. Center point. This describes how widely data is distributed. That is a definition you must write in the exam. These differences you have to write. You have to know the difference. Otherwise, you will get confusion simply. Actually, that's why it has become a problematic if you are not differentiating. See now, describes central tendency, mean. I already explained what is mean. Meaning, average. Mean is also called as average. Median, mode, mid-range. All these, see, all the names itself indicate is a central tendency, center point, average, median, mode, mid-range. All these are the center. And here in dispersion, range, first one, 5 are there. Keep in your mind. Therefore, here 5 are there. Range, the semi-interquartile range. Yes, I are. Sir, good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. You can keep the sir. Okay. Good evening, sir. Yes, I are, sir. Sir. Semi-interquartile range. Number 3, variance. Standard deviation. Skew. Skew. Skew, not Kevu Keka sang. Pawan Kalyan Kevu Keka. That is Skew. This is Skew. S-K-E-W. You can call it as Skew, no problem. But keep the spelling in your memory. S-K-E-W. Skew. And Curtosis, curtain. Just like curtain we will put no for our entries and all. Curtosis, curtain. You can keep the sound, curtain. Okay. So totally 5 are there. Now we will see them all one by one. No need to refer any textbooks also even, but standard textbooks I already told you orally. But these screenshots you take, and that is more than sufficient for your examination. Totally 5 types are there. That all 5 types we will go. Now we will see one by one what is the range. See this part already blue color one, central tendency, I already did video. You go and watch that video, right? Now in this video we will try to complete the how widely data is distributed, measures of dispersion. That is the main learning objective of today's video and today's outcome. Keep in your mind, right? First we will see. Yeah, here also I gave the difference, clear cut difference in the picture wise. A very easy diagram, very easy, dead easy diagram. See here, you find the difference. See here, I took average. Average is 100 for red color data, and also blue color data also. See here how widely it is distributed. But center point, if you take it is also average 100 only. See, red color mark center point is average is 100. And also see here exactly the 100 you can see here in the graph. See here 100. See my cursor, 100 is here. And for this also center point is 100. So when you compare the central data, average, both data is same. Both data, that data, this data is same because center point is same, but distribution is different, widely distribution. That's why we have to use the distribution dispersion measures also. 2 measures are important. Central measures is also important. Dispersion measures also important. Keep in your mind. Don't left one and you only commit with. So you commit with both. Okay, try to understand the concept. So that's why the concept will be in your fingertip. In this case, central tendency is the same. Measures of dispersion is different. You got my point? Yeah. Definition, you come to the measures of dispersion or descriptive statistics. Keep in your mind. I will explain you what is descriptive statistics in the next coming video. I am making separate video on that. Descriptive statistics. So measures of dispersion are descriptive statistics. Just blindly keep in your mind. And in the next video, you can watch continue so that I will explain you what is descriptive statistics. Okay. So both are same. It sounds dispersion. See here, dispersion, descriptive. Both are des. It sounds like a similar. So it describes dispersion data, descriptive. What it describes? How widely the given data is distributed. Widely distributed. Widely. Or how similar are same or not or how similar a set of scores are to each other. What is the similarity between the scores? Score is nothing but each data set lo in each number is called as a how similar set of scores. Now we will see what is a similar. More similar, keep this point, very important point, very easy point. More similar, less dispersion. More similar, less dispersion. Opposite in nature. Similarity is opposite to that of the dispersion. And keep in your mind, more similar, less difference. Less difference. Less dispersion. Both are same. Isn't it? Fact, see, more the similarity, lesser the difference. See here, how the chain of faces. Chain of faces is wonderful example for this. All the faces are similar. So there is no difference. There is no difference is very less. Very less. You have to keep on watching number of times, and you have to start with staying them in order to find the difference. That much of similarity is there. More similar, less difference, less dispersion. See Indian faces, completely different. One face is different, another face is different. You got my point? So more similar, less difference, less dispersion. See here in the data I have here, see the first set of data. 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. This is a set of data. In this data, similarity is more. Twos are more, one is more, less difference, less dispersion, not dispersed much. See here, this data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How widely distributed? Similarity is less. Less similar, you got my point? Less similar, widely distributed, widely dispersion. And here I have given one more example also. 50, 60, 70. More similar. More similar. Only 10 is different. When compared to this 10, 50, 100. See, in these two sets of data, this is more similar. 50, 60, 70. And here, less similar, more dispersion, widely distributed. That's why you have to keep this definition. You have to write in the examination. Measures of dispersion is a type of descriptive statistics. It describes how widely that given data is distributed, or how similar a set of scores in each data is there. What is the relation between a similarity and the differences? What is the relation between similarity and dispersion? All these things you have to write in the examination. But don't draw this China faces, India faces in the examination. That is, this data you can write 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. This data you can write. But these, no, don't write in the examination, my dear students, my dear gems, my dear chocolates. Don't write. Okay. That is only for your understanding purpose. Yeah, see the first point, the more similar the score 1, 1, 2, 2 are to each other more similar, the lower the measures of dispersion. This point you write in the exam. The less similar scores are each other, the higher the measures of dispersion will be. In general, more spread out, widely spread out a distribution is, larger the measures of dispersion will be. These 3 points you have to, what you have understand, the same points you have to write in the examination. See, there is a totally, there are a 5 main measures of dispersion. Keep in your mind, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Punch. What are the dispersions? First one is the range. Range. See, range. Second one is the semi-interquartile range. SIR. Sir, good morning, sir. SIR, sir. Semi-interquartile, semi-final, just like semi-final, semi-interquartile range, interquartile range. Okay. Third one is variance, standard deviation. Skew, skew. Curtosis, curtain. Okay, these five things you have to write in the examination compulsorily. Sometimes they may be asked directly what is variance, what is standard deviation and all. Here we will see one by one in detail we will see. Okay, don't worry, all are very important. Okay, don't make it hurry and burry. Okay, no hurry, no burry. Okay. First one is the range. There was in Telugu, our Prabhas favorite actor Prabhas, in the Sahu movie, one dialogue is there. That dialogue was very popular. గల్లీలో 6 ఎవడైనా కొడతాడు, స్టేడియంలో కొట్టేవాడికి ఒక రేంజ్ ఉంటుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ రేంజ్? వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? See, those who played 6 in a gully, there may be a fans only within the street, or maybe within the area, or within that village, maybe the fans. If you play a gully cricket and if you hit a 6, but if you hit a 6 in the stadium, you will get fans throughout the country-wide fashions. Not only country, man. It is a throughout worldwide fans will be there. That's why he is saying the dialogue. Those who played the 6, see, this is the style. See, those who played who hit the 6, there will be a range in the, like that. Worldwide fans, wide range will be there. In Gully 6, nobody knows. Only the village people in that village only, they came to know. See, this is the thing of what you have to catch from the dialogue, what you have to understand really from the dialogue. That is the thing. But generally we will practice the dialogue, okay, but we cannot understand the dialogue. See here, another example, range, cloth shop owner. He is asking cloth shop owner, sir, which range you want to purchase, sir? Either it is a 100 or 150 range, or 100 to 1000 range, or 5000 to 10,000 range. Like that he is asking. What range, sir? Which range you want to purchase, sir? That means that he is asking what is your minimum invest and maximum invest. See here, minimum invest, maximum invest. See the difference, range. So like that, cloth shop owner is asking like that. See, all these are general examples, but we will not consider generally the range. And wide saree range. So all varieties are available. Okay, Banaras saree, Rajnandani sarees, okay, silk sarees, cotton sarees, fashion, all types of. So the customers, see, the customers are talking to each other. We will go to that shop, they will maintain all the ranges. Okay, some shop only fit for poor persons, some shops only fit for rich persons, but you have to maintain from poor to rich range. So range is high, wide range, wide cricket fans worldwide, like that. The range is defined as a difference between the largest score in the set of data and the smallest score in the set of data. So if there is any set of data, you find what is the maximum, what is the minimum value in that set. You find it. You go through a data, find what is minimum, what is value. So see how widely distributed you can be find very easily. Higher value minus lower value, you will get a range. Excel, yes. XL lowest, XS, sorry, the largest. XL stands for largest, XS smallest. What is the range of the following data? Simple example you write in the exam with along with the definition. You explain with the problem. Okay, 4, 8, 1, 6, 6, 2, 9, 3, 6, 9. Find the largest score. XL. L stands for XL. No, XL, double XL. Sizes will be there, no? The same. XL means large. Keep in your mind. 9. The smallest score is 1 here, isn't it? 1 is, see the range is 8. Lowest, highest difference called as a range, wide range from gully to international fans will be there for your, if you are hitting a 6. See, the range is used when generally we are using the range. When you have ordinal data, just like ordinary bus, ordinal data when you are using it. When you are presenting to your results to the people with little or no knowledge of statistics. If suppose any person do not have any statistic knowledge, you present your data, this is the thing. These are in the examination, this is my minimum marks, that is my maximum. My minimum marks are 0, my maximum marks is 100. My range is wide, 0 to 100 marks I had. Those who are all scoring 90, 100, 90, 100, 90, 100, range is less, only 10 is the range. You have ordinal data or you are representing your results to the people with little or no knowledge of statistics. These points you have to write in the examination. The range is rarely used in scientific work. Our pharmacy field, in science fields, we are using very rarely, very rarely we are using. It depends upon only the 2 score. Why means, see, there is a problem of, in the range also data, one problem is there. What is that? We are considering only 2 scores. What is upper score? What is lower score? In between, whatever the score is there, we are not at all considering. That is the main biggest problem. That's why, see here, I gave the example. With this highest value and lowest value, we cannot guess the data what is there in between. We can guess the range, but how widely it is distributed, the range, first value, lowest value you can see. But the problem is we cannot considering the in between values. See here, I gave the 2 very different sets of data. See here, 11119, 13579. In this data, we cannot guess the number. See, range is same. Here also 8 is range. There also 8 is range. So we will think that this data, that data may be similar like that. We will think without seeing that. Only I know only what is the range of first set 8. I don't know what is the values. In second set also I don't know the values. But only I heard that first set is range is 8. Second set range is 8. And I will think that it may be matched. See, but here no matter at all, no matching at all. 11119, 13579. That is one of the problem in the range. Yeah, the semi-interquartile range. This data we will see in the next video. Okay, keep on watching the videos, all the videos, and after subscription, you go to a playlist. In playlist, all videos I have kept in a subject wise. Okay. After subscription, all the videos you can able to see. If you want to see in a subject wise, go to the playlist. Okay. Thank you. And I will continue my next video with SIR in the next video.